When it comes to enhancing the value and aesthetics of your home, few upgrades are as impactful as installing bay windows. These charming and elegant windows can transform the interior and exterior of your home, providing more than just a functional solution for lighting and ventilation. Bay windows can significantly increase the curb appeal and overall value of your property, making them a wise investment for homeowners in Meridian who are looking to elevate their homes. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows can boost the value of your home in Meridian, from enhancing its architectural appeal to improving energy efficiency and providing additional living space. Enhanced curb appeal and architectural appeal. One of the most immediate ways that bay windows boost home value is by enhancing curb appeal. Bay windows add depth, character, and elegance to the exterior of your home. Their unique three-pane design creates a stunning architectural feature that stands out from the standard flat windows that most homes have. Meridian, with its diverse range of home styles, benefits greatly from the addition of bay windows. Whether you live in a traditional ranch-style home or a more modern design, bay windows can complement any architectural style. Their classic look blends seamlessly with both contemporary and traditional homes, giving your property a touch of luxury and sophistication that draws attention and admiration from potential buyers. Maximizing natural light and view. Bay windows are designed to project outward from the wall, creating a small alcove that allows for a wider field of view and more natural light. By incorporating multiple glass panes, bay windows allow sunlight to enter from different angles, making the room feel brighter, airier, and more inviting. For homes in Meridian, where the weather is often sunny and pleasant, bay windows provide an excellent opportunity to enjoy the natural beauty of the outdoors. Whether you're gazing at your garden, a scenic neighborhood view, or the surrounding countryside, bay windows help you enjoy your surroundings in an entirely new way. The increased natural light can also make the interior of your home feel more open, spacious, and inviting, which is particularly appealing to prospective buyers. Increased interior space and functionality. In addition to their visual appeal, bay windows also offer practical benefits by increasing your home's usable space. The outward projection of the window creates a small nook inside, which can be used in various ways. You might add a cozy window seat, use the space for additional storage, or create a charming reading nook that enhances the functionality of the room. In Meridian, where homeowners often value both aesthetic beauty and practicality, bay windows provide a way to maximize limited space. Whether you're adding a small, functional space in a living room, dining area, or bedroom, bay windows contribute to the overall livability of your home. The added space can make smaller rooms feel larger and more open, a feature that appeals to both current homeowners and potential buyers. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Bay windows are also designed to improve your home's energy efficiency, which is an important consideration for homeowners in Meridian, especially during extreme temperatures. Modern bay windows come equipped with energy-efficient glass, such as double glazing or low-E coatings, which help reduce heat loss in the winter and minimize heat gain during the summer. By preventing drafts and reducing the strain on your HVAC system, bay windows can help lower energy bills. These windows improve the insulation of your home, which makes your living space more comfortable year-round. When buyers are looking for homes in Meridian, they often prioritize energy-efficient features, and installing bay windows is a great way to showcase your home's commitment to sustainability and cost savings. Increased resale value. All of these benefits, enhanced curb appeal, improved natural light, additional interior space, and increased energy efficiency, combine to increase the resale value of your home. Bay windows are an attractive feature that many homebuyers actively seek, as they add both beauty and functionality to a home. In Meridian's competitive real estate market, properties with eye-catching, desirable features like bay windows tend to stand out and attract more attention from potential buyers. Installing bay windows can give your home a competitive edge, whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to increase its value for future resale. Buyers often look for homes with unique, architectural details that make the property feel more luxurious and inviting. Bay windows are one of those features that offer a substantial return on investment, providing you with increased home value at resale. Low maintenance and durability. Another key advantage of bay windows is their low maintenance nature. Modern bay windows are constructed with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or high-quality wood that are built to last. These materials require minimal upkeep and are resistant to the elements, ensuring that your bay windows continue to perform well and look beautiful for many years. With proper installation and care, bay windows are a long-term investment that requires little maintenance. This durability makes them a valuable addition to your home, not only boosting its value but also offering peace of mind that your investment will continue to pay off over time. Conclusion. Bay windows are a fantastic way to boost the value of your home in Meridian, offering a range of benefits that go beyond just aesthetic appeal. From enhancing curb appeal and increasing natural light to providing additional space and improving energy efficiency, bay windows are a versatile, practical, and attractive option for homeowners looking to enhance the value of their property. Whether you're looking to sell your home in the future or simply want to upgrade your living space, installing bay windows is a smart investment that will enhance your home's beauty, functionality, and overall value. Consult with a professional window installer to explore your options and discover how bay windows can transform your Meridian home.